Hey, I'm Erica from Shopify's retail team, here to tell you more about Shopify Point of Sale, or POS. Shopify Point of Sale is the best solution for retailers who want a unified commerce solution for selling in person and online. Whether you have one flagship store, sell in 1,000 locations, or create experiential pop-ups, Shopify's flexible point of sale is built to meet your business where it's at today and where you plan to go in the future. Shopify POS is made up of retail software, hardware, and payments, all powered by the Shopify platform with a single backend. These three components work together seamlessly and can be easily customized to fit the unique needs of your business. Shopify POS unifies in-store and online sales, so you can deliver the connected shopping experiences customers expect. Through built-in features like buy online, pick up in store, draft orders, ship to customer, and multi-channel gift cards, retailers can attract and convert more shoppers in-store. Unlike other POS solutions, Shopify has a unified admin where you'll monitor sales and operations across all retail stores and online channels. It's also the place to manage inventory, staff, and view insights. Shopify Point of Sale keeps inventory in sync in real time, whether an order is placed in-store or online. This means when a customer sees that a product is in stock, it will be. And staff don't have to manually update stock between two different systems. Advanced reporting features make it simple to forecast trends and optimize stock levels based on which products are in demand, down to the exact product variant your customers want. And unlike other POS solutions, Shopify POS is built on an extensible platform that can be customized and integrated with other software, including your ERP. Do you have a unique retail process or feature you need to solve for? Using Shopify POS UI extensions, you can build custom workflows that look and feel native to Shopify. Or browse through more than 10,000 pre-built solutions in the Shopify App Store. Our mobile POS app that powers the checkout experience is the interface your staff use to check out customers, look up product information, and more. When a staff member logs into the app, they'll see this group of tiles called the Smart Grid. From here, staff can easily navigate wherever they need to go and even customize the tiles to create shortcuts. They can easily access common tasks like checking inventory at different locations, viewing customer profiles, or preparing shipping orders for fulfillment. Shopify offers a wide range of hardware options so you can design an in-store experience that customers will love. Pair your tablet with Shopify POS Terminal for a sleek countertop experience with a customer-facing display. Or break free from the counter using Shopify POS Go. This portable all-in-one device enables staff to help customers with anything they need from the store floor, including checking out, seeing what's in stock, or looking at purchase history. Shopify Point of Sale integrates with Shopify Payments to offer your business a single solution for accepting payments in-store and online. Activate payments in your admin to start taking payments instantly and securely. You can accept all major payment types in-store and online, including contactless payments and mobile wallets. Once you're on Shopify Point of Sale, we'll help you get up and running. Shopify offers 24/7 support and experienced retail specialists to help you with everything from onboarding to launch and beyond. Accelerate your retail growth and experience the power of a modern point of sale. Shopify POS, powered by the commerce experts.